Hi everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to remove custom emoji on Slack so you can clean up your workspace quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome web browser on your computer and go to the Slack website, making sure you are logged in and in the correct workspace. This ensures you can access all workspace settings without any issues. Step 2. Click your workspace name at the top left corner of the screen. This opens the main menu where all your workspace options are located. Step 3. Hover over Tools and Settings. Then click on Admin Tools. Admin Tools give you access to managing workspace features like emojis, members and permissions. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, click on Edit Workspace, then select the Emoji tab from the options. This tab is where all custom and default emojis are displayed. Step 5. Use the search bar to find the custom emoji you want to remove, or scroll through the list to locate it manually. This makes it easier to find the exact emoji without missing any. Step 6. Click the X or delete icon next to the emoji. This initiates the removal process for the selected emoji. Step 7. Click Delete Emoji to confirm, and the emoji will be permanently removed from the workspace. This ensures it no longer appears for any workspace members. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.